Theta, USD medium-term support truly remained at 92 cents, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. The sort of current exchanging volume of Theta organization in every way that really matters is at $16,663,758 in a kind of enormous manner. Theta organization for the most part is by and by esteemed at $1 bears control Theta's certainly current cost activities, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The 22nd of April 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and basically attempt to answer these much of the time especially sought clarification on pressing issues. What certainly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Theta organization. Generally is Theta a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization support and opposition levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. However, prior to plunging certainly profound into the Theta specialized examination, truly let us generally discuss the truly current economic situations in a sort of enormous manner. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours. There generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1.154,329,028,372 truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The genuinely complete exchanging volume generally remains at $44,480,359,250, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in every way that really matters, enormous way, which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,275.35 level after a decay of 2.73%, which especially is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a value decline of 3.36% coming to $1,854.11 during the past 24 hours, or so they thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16, following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time period. Or so they in a real sense thought. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP certainly is somewhere near 3.99 and at present exchanging at 45 cents in a genuinely significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is very critical. These occasions especially show that the market explicitly is going in an especially descending bearing for extremely present moment, which generally is very critical. As of now, a genuinely broad, truly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Exceptionally further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which is very critical. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers for the most part become in every practical sense all the more truly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing how the 22nd of April 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now and all things considered. Attempt to answer these regularly really clarified some pressing issues. What explicitly is in every way that really matters. Transient cost expectation for Theta organization. All things considered, is Theta an especially wise speculation, or so they basically thought. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which vendors generally move commonly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so forth, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization. Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization certainly is at $1, down 2.99% in the beyond 24 hours and explicitly has a value change of 10.69% over the course of the week, or so they by and large thought. 1-day exchanging volume for BTC in every practical sense is $16,663,758.00 while truly complete market cap came to $999,753,950 showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16, following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time period, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. There generally are very nearly 1 billion basically are available for use out of 1 billion, showing how yet prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the Theta specialized examination. In a real sense let us sort of discuss the all things considered, current economic situations in a very huge way. Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Investigation for the 22nd of April 2023 inside a for the most part everyday time span essentially made sense of underneath, which by and large is very critical. We utilize genuinely relative strength index, moving normal combination and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving especially normal and outstanding moving really normal to essentially examine the future development of the Theta Organization, exhibiting that Theta Organization Value Investigation Theta Cost Examination for the 22nd of April 2023 inside and in every practical sense. Day-to-day time span made sense of underneath, which generally is genuinely critical. The Theta USD moving truly normal combination and disparity marker fundamentally is demonstrating a by and large present moment truly sell really signal as the MACD line truly is moving underneath genuinely signal line which truly imply basically bears most certainly are ruling on the lookout, which certainly shows that one-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is 16,663,758.00 US dollars, while essentially complete market cap came to $999,753,950 USD, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16, following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time span, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and in every practical sense is attempting to in a real sense break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength. So market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,154,329,028,372 or so they truly thought. Theta sort of has a kind of the closest opposition of $1.04, exhibiting how we utilize truly relative strength index, moving truly normal combination and dissimilarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly basic moving extremely normal and dramatic moving commonly normal to in every practical sense. Examine the future development of the Theta Organization, showing that Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Examination for the 22nd of April 2023 inside a very day-to-day time span made sense of beneath, which explicitly is genuinely huge. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would explicitly support the upturn energy, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 put at $1.08. Showing that yet prior to plunging essentially profound into the Theta specialized investigation, by and large let us especially discuss the very current economic situations, which in a real sense is very huge. On the other hand, on the off chance that the financial backers in a real sense betray the Theta Organization, the for the most part bears could handle the market and truly take Theta cost underneath the essential help level of 96 cents, exhibiting how support certainly is a level at which purchasers most certainly become substantially more genuinely dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how the 22nd